Welcome to Second Skin Shop's tutorial on how to sew elastic on your Pointe shoes. The first step is to cut the elastic in half, so you have one for each shoe. The next step, you're going to fold the heel and find center. Once you find the center of the heel, you're going to measure about a 1/2 inch on each side and pin that elastic. Next, you're going to try the Pointe shoe on, go up on point, see if that feels comfortable. If it doesn't, readjust. And then once you find the correct position, go ahead and turn the heel inside out so then you can start sewing. And what we're going to do is we're going to sew a box all the way around the elastic. We recommend getting a stitch kit from your local dance shop. It comes with a really sturdy needle and thread. You'll thread the needle and then tie a knot at the very end. Then when you start to sew, you want to sew at the very bottom here of the casing, or you can start on the inner lining. You just want to make sure you don't hit the drawstring so you can still move that easily. So here I go with my first stitch through the casing and through the elastic. And you're going to pull all the way until you hit that knot. Now I'm going to go through the inner lining, again through the elastic. As soon as I get close to pulling all the way through, I'm going to loop the needle through the remaining thread. That just makes it a little bit sturdier, and I'm going to do that one more time. It just makes it a little bit more secure. And through one more time. After that, I'm going to continue with the whip stitch. Some dancers do prefer going all the way through the satin. As long as you're using pink thread, the audience won't be able to see that. So you can do it that way. I just like to do it from the inside just so it looks a little bit nicer. I'm going to continue with the whip stitch, although some will do a running stitch right along there. And I'm going to take this pin out because we don't really need that anymore. Once again, I'm going to continue along the bottom. Making my final way. Till we reach the top of the casing. And now I'll continue with the running stitch. And I'll finish by tying a knot here, but before I do that, I am going to show you something special that you can do. I'm going to go all the way through. I'm going to make the letter V. And go once, twice, now on the other side. Once, twice, and a third time. I'm going to go back through. Now if you look, you have a little heart just on the outside of the elastic, just to give you a little look. And I'm going to cut the thread. Tie a little knot. And trim the edges. And you're done. And that's how you sew just a basic loop on the back of the heel for the elastic for your pointe shoes. Thanks for watching.